Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you my 2 salsas for pozole. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay guys, so for our cucumber salsa, we're going to need 4 tomatillos, 1 serrano, 15 chile de árbol, 2 garlic cloves, 1 small cucumber, the juice of 3 limes, purple onion, cilantro, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's make our salsa. Okay, to blend it, we're going to add our tomatillos, garlic cloves, piece of cucumber, chile serrano, and chile de árbol. We're going to be blending with 1/4 of a cup of water. Okay, now blending to smooth. Okay, so once we have that, we can transfer it to our bowl. Okay, transfer it to a bowl with our cucumber, onion, and cilantro. Here we're going to add our salt and our lime juice. Okay, now mix it all together. Now taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. And just like that, we have our cucumber salsa for our green pozole. Alright guys, so for my salsa de aceite, we're going to need 1 handful of chile de árbol, 1 cup of avocado oil, 3 garlic cloves, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's make our salsa. To a small saucepan, we're going to add our oil and garlic cloves. Set it over medium heat and allow it to come to a simmer. As soon as our oil has heated up, we're going to turn it off. And here we're going to add our chile de árbol. Now this salsa is meant to be spicy, but of course if you don't want to use chile de árbol, you can always use chile japonés to make it less spicy. Now we're just going to set it to the side and allow it to cool down. Once our oil has cooled down, now we can get ready to blend it. Okay, and just like that, we have our chile de aceite. Transfer it to a bowl. Okay, and just like that, we have our chile de aceite. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, serving our delicious salsas. Now of course, you know, these ones are perfect if you like your pozole to be a little extra spicy. These are honestly perfect. Of course, you can always enjoy it with something else rather than your pozole. But honestly, they're seriously the best. And the salsa de aceite, you can always, you know, use it for everything else. It's spicy, but like I said, if you don't want it to be spicy, you can always use chile japonés and just add a little less. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make my salsas for pozole. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.